Well, good morning and welcome back to another Coaster Crazy vlog here on YouTube. Yes, well, you saw the title. I'm here at Chessington World of Adventures. Yeah, I've got a random day off. Basically waiting to work this morning. Did a few hours, and then the site manager was saying that the water's on site's frozen over, so we can't actually work on site because we need clean running water for toilets and the canteen and stuff like that, and the bricklayers need it as well. So yeah, I'll take my seatbelt off. I've just noticed I've still got it on. So I'll take my seatbelt off. So I've literally just thought, well, what can I do? It's actually a nice day now. It was awful this morning, so I'm here at Chessington World of Adventures, and what I can see now at the moment is pretty spectacular. It looks amazing. If you know what I'm talking about, then it's the new coaster coming here for this year 2023 to Chessington. It's Mandrill Mayhem, I think that's right. Mandrill Mayhem. It's a bit of a mouthful, but it's a world's first concept from B&M, and it's a wing coaster and it's a shuttle coaster. It's like a world's first for B&M. Looks amazing. I will show you around in a minute. There's just a couple of lads walking around. They are actually working on site today. There's a digger just behind me there somewhere. Tool hires just come on board, so there's a lot of preparation. Don't actually know when this is opening. I have contacted the park and asked about media days, press events, that sort of thing. They don't actually know at the moment. They have stated they don't know because the land, if you don't really know, is themed around Jumanji. So yeah, I don't, off the top of my head, I don't, without doing the research, I don't really know what like the other rides are called, but there's a couple of flat rides coming. One's ostrich bounce or something. It's basically a frog hopper, like a jump and smile that goes up and down with a compressed air, you know, the type ones that you get at the fairs. It's basically one of those themed around ostriches. You've also got a kids Miami as well, so that's quite interesting to see. So there's a couple of flat rides. I think Merlin are basically testing the waters with these here as a permanent installation in a new themed land to see how they would go at other parks. I can see, you know, that's the idea around the retro squad for the past couple of years, you know, to see what flat rides are like. Obviously they're a big draw to the park, so they've got permanent installations in. Anyway, I'll turn you around, Bob. Yeah, it took me about an hour to get here from work. I also just want to point out as well and just say, if you're not aware, I've started a brand new channel. So yeah, I've started a brand new channel literally yesterday called Crane Crazy. So yeah, it'll be down here, Crane Crazy. It's on YouTube anyway. I haven't got any socials for it yet, so it'll be there. I'm trying to figure out how you stick the logo on the side, but I need a proper P&M, so if it's there, it's there. Otherwise you'll see it. Just go and subscribe. Crane Crazy, brand new channel, all about tower cranes and things what I do at work when I'm actually at work. I don't know why I've never thought about it before. I've got some nice footage today. I can use drones on site and things like that because I've got all the licenses and things, as you know if you follow the channel for a while. Anyway, 3 minutes have gone. I'll turn you around to see what I can see. Obviously I'll get out of the car and I will have a walk. I don't think the park access is actually open unless I contact the park fully and say, look, I'm here, can I have a walk around? I've already got high vis on and I've got my stuff in the car. If you don't know from this channel, yes, if you're a new subscriber, I do actually drive tower cranes for a living on building sites. So I've got all my gear in the car. I have got a certificate I would show you out of my wallet, but I don't want like copyright infringes and things. But I've got the CPCS card, health and safety card, that you need to work on building sites. So I've got to get out of the car and literally just walk a bit closer so you can see. I don't really want to spoil too much if you haven't seen it already, but yeah, it's basically a shuttle coaster. So they've got the spike up here, beyond vertical spike, just there. Sorry, I wasn't pointing in the right place, just here, but it goes beyond vertical. So as you come out the station, it'll come up this spike and then roll forward round the front, inversion. One inversion on this is correct, well, two in fact, because then you come up this upward helix and then the track stops, and then as the momentum of the train slowly, gradually sort of disappears, it'll obviously come back again, back through the layout, back through the inversion, back through the station, and up into the spike, and then slowly down into the station. It'll be awesome. I can't wait for it. So yeah, I'm gonna get out of the car. This will be like a 10-20 minute video or something like that. Basically, construction of the brand new coaster coming here to Chessington World of Adventures for 2023. Alright, so I've got out of the car now. I've changed the mic. Yeah, I am actually using the media mod at the moment. I will explain probably in another video, but yeah, I broke my GoPro at Barry Island at the weekend. I hope you enjoyed that video just there. So yeah, I'm using the media mod, so I hope the audio is alright. I'm actually getting in the process of getting some better equipment, updating stuff, so I might be getting the Rode Mic Go 2, which looks awesome. So yeah, it looks well good, doesn't it? The theming in the middle looks well good. So this is probably the only place I can get the footage, just from this side road here. Yeah, I'll get a few pictures as well. But yeah, I'll just have a walk up the perimeter, get some footage. It looks well good though. Yeah, it looks great there as well, if you're obviously with the tree in the foreground. But yeah, the foliage and the theming on the actual thrine thing there, the Jaguar thrine, that looks really cool. I think it's thrine, shrine, sorry, the Jaguar shrine looks well good. Yeah, I was wondering who actually did the rock work for it. So a van actually drove past, and it was a no-brainer. Yeah, they're called Saturn Rock. Just googled them, and they've done. They did Lost Kingdom, and I've actually pressed something there. Yeah, Lost Kingdom at Paulton's Park, Land of the Tigers. Yeah, they've done a few things. Shaun the Sheep Land, Nickelodeon Adventure Lakeside. Yeah, so they've done a bit. They've done a bit. So yeah, Saturn Rock. Yes, there's actually quite a lot of activity here at the minute. Obviously, there's a building site. A wagon has just turned up behind me with a couple of cherry pickers on it. Yeah, I've just got to walk out of the car park. Just here. Show you from the side, get a couple more pictures, and that'll be it really. Like a quick 20-minute video really. Just to show you, because obviously I'm not supposed to be here, but there's no one at the gate. The barriers are up, you can just drive straight in. As long as you're not filming anything you shouldn't be filming, there's not a problem. There's no laws against that, as long as I'm obviously not got to jump over the fence or anything. Yeah, I've already got the signs for it about trespassing. So as long as you stay on this side of the fence, there's nothing that they can do about it. Yeah, awesome. I better go before someone says anything. I'll just get a couple of pictures. Yeah, it looks amazing. That's one reason why you've got to know what you do when you're doing stuff like this, especially when there's trucks moving around. I mean, like I said, I've already got my high-vis gear on, so he can see me, and I know what I'm doing. I've just spoke to a couple of lads who actually work on their site. I said, "Oh, have you got an interest in doing stuff like this?" And they're like, "Oh yeah, we just put it up." I mean, do you go on coasters? And he's like, "Oh yeah, we got like theme parks all the time." So I'd love to do this, but this in this country, there's no call for like tower cranes on building sites, especially building on the coast. They do in America when they built the Harry Potter land over there, Hogwarts, and I think in fact it was actually the Hagrid's motorbike creatures ride. That whole area where they built that brand new coaster where Julian Dragons there was 3 tower cranes on there. So I mean, you can't really see much else from here, to be honest. Oh, there's the Snake's Head. Right, I'll get my phone out. But there's a Snake's Head for one of the rides, Cobra something or other, I think. I can't see the other flat ride, but yeah, you can see the inversion just over on the back side there. You can see it comes out the station. The inversions, oh god, yeah, underneath this, yeah, if this cherry picker wasn't in the way. Sorry, the other things were scissor lifts. That's a cherry picker. Yeah, the inversion's at the back there, and then it comes round here. Oh, it looks so good. Like, just to stand here as well is it's pretty cool. Right, I'll get my phone out, I'll get a couple of zoomed in shots, take some more pictures, and I'll see you probably back at the car or walking back over to the car. But yeah, there's nothing to stop you coming here and having a look, but just be mindful of what you're doing, really. Right, so that's it really. That's as much footage I can get you. Got some zoomed in shots with the phone. Hope they came out all right. And yeah, it looks amazing. You can't obviously see the front of the Jaguar there from this side of the road. Obviously you need to be in the park, but it's all gated up, it's all closed. They've got a gate man up the top. There's literally just workmen in here at the moment working on the new coaster from B&M, like a brand new concept. I can't wait for this. This is amazing for the UK to have something like this. First coaster in a long time. Obviously if you want to watch more in depth, I think Sean's coming here, Theme Park Worldwide. I think he's coming and actually working with the park to do some more inside construction footage, so keep your eye out for that. Yeah, just one last shot from the outside looking from the road. So when you drive into the park, this is what you see first thing, and you can see it from the road as well. When I drove in, like down the road, driving in up this, whatever this road is, you could see it like from a distance. It looks amazing. I cannot wait for this. I really can't. There's no actual date for it just yet, but it'll be pretty soon, I can guarantee it. But yeah, there you go. Mandrill Mayhem. Pretty sure that's it. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed this one, first of maybe many construction videos. I've obviously started the brand new channel as well, Crane Crazy. Go and check that out. Yeah, that sun's pretty bright now, isn't it? Check that out, Crane Crazy, where I'll be doing a lot of construction videos and talking in my crane while I'm working and that sort of thing. But yeah, there's not much else to show you down here. It's just workman stuff, and he's offloading them little scissor lifts. We've got a couple of bits of theming in the car park as well. But yeah, I'm now actually off to Brooklands because they're setting up their Brooklands Valentine's Fair, which is one of the best in the UK in my opinion. We love it there. We've been there a couple of times now. Yeah, I think it was a couple of times, pretty sure of it. So I'm looking forward to going there and have a look at some of the rides. There's normally a couple of coasters that go there and set up as well. So I'll go and have a look. I probably won't do a full, you know, build the setting up video. That's another channel you want to watch out for those. That's not my domain. I can't go in and do that. So yeah, if there's a coaster there and they're setting it up, I'll go and film the coaster or something, keep it current. But yeah, I do obviously the fun fairs as well and other attractions. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Do this here. I can never remember the order when I edit it, so yeah, just bear with me on that one. But yeah, I can't believe I started a brand new channel like within a day. Like, I did the logo in 10 minutes. So I hope you do enjoy the new channel. Go over, pop over, it's in the links down below. Crane Crazy. Hope I can do some more construction footage like this to keep it current, so I can keep this channel going as well, because at the moment I'm not getting much time. I've only got the weekends available and there's nothing open. So yeah, the cherry picker's just coming down the road now, a different one. So they might have finished with something, but yeah, you can just about see the station. They've got imprints of people's hands just over there. I won't be able to get good footage even if I zoom in with my phone, because it's too far away and there's trees in the way. But yeah, you saw what you can see. And you know, if you follow Facebook pages and the park themselves, they've been really good with the publicity of this so far. There's a lot of really good, nice concept art out there. I'd like to meet the guy who does that. Like the new ride that's replaced Jill, the ghost train there, the haunted house, Alton Towers. The marketing, the picture and poster for that looks amazing. The same along with Ghost Train at Thorpe Park. Obviously I'll potentially go to Monk's Walk and do construction for Thorpe as well, but I'll get into that more when I have like windy days and stuff, and I can come down the crane early and whatnot. But yeah, I'll leave you for now with a bit of the new coaster in the background. Oh, how cool does it look? Really good. Right, I'll leave you on that one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.